Percents appear throughout the GED in discounts, taxes, interest, data, probability, and percent change. The word percent means per 100. 25% is 25 out of 100, which equals 1/4 and 0.25. Once you can move between percent, decimal, and fraction forms, most percent problems reduce to one of three questions: find the part, find the whole, or find the percent. To convert 37% to a decimal, write 0.37. To convert 5%, write 0.05, not 0.5. The zero matters because 5% is 5/100ths. For a percent greater than 100, such as 120%, the decimal is 1.20. Values above 100% represent more than the original whole. 0.62 becomes 62%. 1.4 becomes 140%. A decimal and its percent form describe the same value using different scales. When converting, include the percent symbol only after multiplying by 100. A frequent mistake is moving the decimal in the wrong direction, so check whether the result should be larger or smaller than 100%. To find 30% of 80, convert 30% to 0.30 and multiply by 80. The result is 24. Estimate first. 30% is less than 1/3, and 1/3 of 80 is a little under 27, so 24 is reasonable. This translation, percent as a decimal, of as multiplication, works for discounts, tax, tips, and many data questions. A jacket costs $60 and is discounted 25%. The discount is 0.25 times 60, or $15. The sale price is 60 minus 15, which equals $45. Do not confuse the discount with the final price. If a question asks how much you save, answer 15. If it asks what you pay, answer 45. A meal costs $40 before an 18% tip. The tip is 0.18 times 40, or $7.20. The total is $47.20. You can also multiply the original by 1.18 to combine the base and the increase. Read whether the problem asks for the added amount or the final total. If 18 of 30 students completed a project, divide 18 by 30 to get 0.60. Convert that decimal to 60%. The denominator must represent the whole group. Reversing the division produces a value greater than 1 and answers a different question. Use the sentence part divided by whole equals percent in decimal form as a reliable setup. If 24 is 30% of a number, divide 24 by 0.30. The whole is 80. Check by finding 30% of 80, which returns 24. This problem type often uses words such as is, of, or total. When the unknown is the original whole, division is usually required because the known part represents only a fraction of it. A price rises from $50 to $60. The increase is 10. Divide 10 by the original 50 to get 0.20 or 20%. The original value belongs in the denominator because percent change measures the change relative to the starting point. Dividing by the new value would produce about 16.7% and would answer the wrong comparison. A population falls from 200 to 150. The decrease is 50. Divide 50 by the original 200 to get 0.25 or 25%. State the direction clearly. The same calculation pattern works for increase and decrease, only the subtraction order and interpretation change. A negative result can also indicate a decrease if you use new minus old. Suppose $100 decreases by 20% to $80. A 20% increase on 80 adds 16, producing 96, not 100. The second percent is based on a different whole. GED questions may test this idea indirectly. Apply each change to the current value in sequence instead of adding or canceling percentages without calculation. For percent of a number, multiply the whole by the decimal percent. To find the percent, divide part by whole. To find the whole, divide the part by the decimal percent. For percent change, compare the change with the original value. Labeling the quantities before calculating prevents most mistakes and makes the same method work across money, data, and real-life scenarios.